2025 Mercedes-Benz GLB. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.